Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download NAB bank statements for tax or visa purposes. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download NAB bank statements for tax or visa purposes, what you need to do is simply head over and open up the NAB banking app. Now once you're inside there, be sure to be logged in with the credentials by entering your NAB ID, and then once you're there, simply enter in your password as well. Now once your password has been entered and logged into your account, on your home screen what you need to do is just simply select the account from which you want to download the NAB bank statements. And once you have selected the account, you'll be sent to the account page. And now here what you need to do in order to download NAB bank statements is simply tap on this three dot icon on the top right corner of your screen, and then on tapping you'll be provided with options, and among the options you'll be finding option that says view account details, and then under it you'll find option that says statements. Simply tap on that, and now once you're inside the statement section, choose the account and statement period from monthly, quarterly or custom if available. Then once done, all you gotta do is simply click the option that says download as PDF, then simply select it and follow the prompts and save the file to your computer as well or on your phone. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.